Welcome to CyberJobs Central, the solution to cybersecurity staffing. The problem: cybersecurity professionals are hard to identify. There's challenging job descriptions, applicant tracking systems often fail, and it's impossible to break into cyber. The solution: Aria, your recruiting assistant. You create the technical questions. We pre-screen all applying candidates. Those that pass move on to your hiring team. Those that don't are notified as to why they didn't pass. Tell Aria what you're looking for in your next hire. Did you know 80% of all applicants are unqualified and only 2% make it to the interview process? That's a lot of wasted time on screening. All your open job descriptions will be saved on CyberJobs Central's site with your list of qualified candidates. You also have access to a cohort of all applicants, so not only can you see the best of the best, you are creating a pipeline for future hires. Benefits to applicants: there's 24/7 screening, you're notified within 20 seconds, feedback on strengths and weaknesses, fair and unbiased evaluation, and feedback will help you to improve your interview skills and land your dream job. The benefits for employers: technically unqualified candidates never get to HR or the hiring team. Avoid resume spamming, hire your team more efficiently, and improve your company's reputation. Not only will CyberJobs Central save you time, but the cost savings is a no-brainer. Now let's check out Aria in action.
Describe SQL injection attacks and the methods to prevent them.
A SQL injection attack is when somebody can actually take code in a SQL statement and insert it into malicious SQL code into input fields to actually run SQL statements in the background. Some of the best ways to attack it is to write your code in a manner where you cannot actually modify the SQL statements.
Describe a scenario where you had to troubleshoot a computer security issue on your own. What steps did you take to resolve it?
I noticed unusual network traffic one time coming through our firewall. Initial step was to isolate the affected systems to prevent further spread of the issue. We reviewed the logs and gathered system activities around the time the anomaly was detected to understand the nature and origin of the breach. Updated firewall rules and ensured everything was updated to block suspicious IP addresses, applied patches, vulnerable software, and reset passwords to any potential compromised systems. We then continued to monitor the IP traffic for the next few weeks to see if there was any other breaches.
What is a digital signature, and how does it ensure data integrity and authenticity?
A digital signature is a technique that verifies the origin and integrity of a digital message or document. It uses an algorithm to generate a unique signature based on the content of the document and the signer's private key, ensuring that the document is valid after signing and is not altered. You can use a public key to validate the signature, confirming the document's authenticity and the signature's identifier.
CyberJobs Central was started by recruiters to help recruiters and cybersecurity professionals. Let's work together to solve this frustrating problem and avoid pointing fingers. The talent is out there waiting for their next opportunity.